real end about you. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me.
And will.
Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always have you. I hope you feel the same.
Okay, y'all, so real quick while I'm getting ready, I just had that bright idea to try to film a little bit of the behind the scenes when I'm getting ready to go do like one of my restaurant brand collabs. It'd be hard to get behind the scenes because I also be trying to keep the content, so a lot of it might just be voiceover. I had a wig out. But y'all, we got the wig. So we got boom. And I saw that. Easy. Simple. I'm gonna do a side part today because I've been wearing it in the middle part, which is cool. I don't know where none of my combs are, child. So, where'd it go? Now I'm using tweezers to part my hair out because I don't know where my comb is. And it's really that simple. Did clamp that just so I don't have to deal in that too much. Okay, I can make this go. It might not go. So I'm just trying to see. Okay, we can do this. Let's go ahead and stack jewelry. Alright, you guys, so we are here at Mahogany. So this is what it be looking like behind closed doors. Can y'all hear that baby? I know y'all hear that baby. Huh? This is what be behind closed doors happening that people don't be seeing in real life. Like how I was just freezing my ass off. I couldn't even film that for y'all behind the scenes because it was just too goddamn cold. I need to remember to include that in my brand picture. Parking. I be forgetting that. I need to remember to include that in my brand picture. Parking. That's be like the last thing I think of till I get there. Did you want on your phone number or try to get your real person on? I ain't gonna ask them for that. That's something you do on the front end. What's it? Bree-Ze or BTS? Yes, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you as well. How does it work? What do we do? So I've gotten some shots already from the outside. So essentially, I just shoot to create an experience so that people know what it's like when they actually come in. So I was able to get the shuttle shots when he opened the door and helped us in. I got some really good shots of the front door as well. I would love to, you don't have to, but some restaurants will either have like the owner or their head chef just do a quick little. Okay, perfect. Yeah. It's official. Yeah. Thank you. And Will. Absolutely. Chef P. Yes, sir. I will be back for the steak and grits. Steak and grits.
When you say steak and grits, because when you do stuff like that,
Mm-hmm.
what do you like on your steak?
Whatever that,
specialty
I was
steak.
about to say, whatever that flavor was, I had never had that before. That was so good.
That's like the marinade to like
That was
the
good.
wine.
Yeah. And I could taste that it's got like this like sweetness behind that, and that with I think it's the grits and whatever the gravy is also on the oxtail, like those combined with that steak with that pop of like sweetness was so good.
Yeah, okay.
It was really good.
You like savory.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I was going to say. Okay.
Yeah.
So Hawaiian ribeye with grits.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
And we can play on that a couple times.
I laugh with you, but it's like that's because you know that's a special steak. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But on your average steak, like just say.
I typically don't eat steak. That's the crazy part. I typically don't eat steak. I'm not a big steak eater. And that's typically because a lot of people don't know how to cook steak.
Gotcha.
But like that was the first thing I said, oh my God, it's tender. Like tenderism. Like the knife is cutting through like butter. It's good. The flavor is there. The cut of meat is perfect. Some of it be too thick, too thin. Some of the cuts don't be good. Like that was really good. Yeah. So this is like probably one of the first like steaks aside. Like my dad had made me like a tomahawk before that was really good. But aside from that, this is probably like the first steak that I've like enjoyed in a very long time.
Heard. Well, I'm hoping to bring it back when you come back and do something, unique. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know you want the Hawaiian and the grits, but we can make it unique.
Absolutely. It's up here, babe. I'm waiting on one. This is the process. I'm gonna hold this like this, just straight over it. Move that hand. Okay, you can eat your food now. The life of a content creator.
You won't remember me.